In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open .msg file without Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever received MSG email file but don't have Outlook installed, don't worry, there are two quick ways to view it. Using an online viewer right in your browser, or by renaming the file so you can open its contents with tools you already have. Let's start with the online option. Open your browser and head to a site designed to read MSG files, such as Caloodles, MSG Viewer, or msgviewer.pages.dev. These tools work directly in your browser. So here is nothing to install, and they're compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile devices. On the page, either drag and drop your .msg file into the upload area, or use the upload button. Once it's loaded, click Preview File, and you'll see the message appear. You can typically view the email's body, its headers, and any attachments, and the processing is done client-side in your browser for added peace of mind. If one viewer has trouble with your file, try the other. Sometimes formatting varies. As a general tip, avoid uploading highly confidential messages anywhere online, even when processing is done locally in your browser. Now, if you'd rather stay completely offline, you can open the file by renaming it to a more common format. First, make a copy of your .msg file so you have a backup. Then right-click the original, choose Rename, and change the file extension from .msg to .txt. Confirm the change if prompted. Open this .txt file with Notepad, Word, or any text editor. You'll see the raw contents of the email, plain text, headers, and some formatting code. It might look a bit messy, but it's useful for quickly reading the message and grabbing key details. If the email was originally formatted in HTML and you want a cleaner view, rename the file again, this time to HTML. Double-click it to open in any web browser, like Chrome or Edge. You'll get a more readable version with basic formatting intact, which often makes longer messages much easier to follow. If you need to restore the file, you can always change the extension back to .msg later. And a quick tip, if you don't see file extensions when renaming, make sure your system is set to show them. That's it. Two reliable ways to open .msg files without Outlook. A fast online preview or a quick local rename. Thanks for watching.